Highway and port projects need accurate surveys, land mapping, and constant monitoring. Traditional methods are slow, expensive, and often incomplete.
MAPE IT Solutions transforms infrastructure projects using advanced drone surveys, GIS mapping, and digital engineering technology. We deliver high-precision corridor surveys, land acquisition boundary mapping, road asset GIS databases, and construction progress monitoring for highway projects. Our team creates accurate as-built 3D models of bridges, flyovers, and road infrastructure, ensuring precise planning for repairs, upgrades, and expansions. For minor ports and coastal projects, we provide bathymetric surveys, shoreline erosion monitoring, port land boundary mapping, and coastal infrastructure surveys. Note the drone imagery integration in the Civil 3D model.
Check the elevation profile. How does it compare to the ground survey?
The drone data shows higher accuracy here. From highways to ports, MAPE IT Solutions delivers faster surveys, smarter mapping, and data-driven infrastructure planning.